Hey guys, I'm Purvasha,
And I'm Arjun.
and together we are the
The
Out
out
of
of
Office
office
couple.
couple.
A couple that loves to travel, and we are always on the go whenever given a chance. We have been traveling for a couple of years now. However, this is the first time we have decided to share our travel stories via travel vlog. So here we are with our first travel vlog. Hope you guys like it. This time, we are here to share our travel experience from our trip to Kerala, better known as God's own country. O'clock in the morning, and we are right in front of Cochin International Airport, and we'll head Munnar from here. Then we hired a cab from Kochi to Munnar, which takes around 3 hours to reach. The best part of this drive is the lush green beauty all around and the numerous waterfalls to stop by.
And here we reached to the tea garden town, Munnar.
Our abode for the next 2 days is one of the most beautiful places to stay, Cloudsland. This property is managed by two brothers, Manu and Binu.
And that's Binu, giving quick information about the stay.
And here's Manu, helping us to plan our day. They also arrange customized sightseeing tours in Munnar and nearby places. This beautiful view from our balcony justifies the name of the property, Cloudsland.
After having some fun in the nearby tea garden, we visited local tourist spots and few beautiful waterfalls, including famous waterfalls like Chinnakanal and Athakul waterfalls.
These waterfalls are few kilometers away from Munnar town and are the most attractive destinations which you should not miss while planning a trip to Munnar.
Next on our list was Top Station, which is the highest point in Munnar.
Top Station is located around 30 kilometers away from Munnar and falls on Kerala-Tamil Nadu border. Here, the panoramic views of Western Ghats and greenery of the tea gardens are enough to take your breath away. Just take a quick stroll and you could feel the clouds just a hand away from you.
Then we headed back to our stay and get some rest and be ready for the next eventful day.
Our day 2 in Munnar started with this beautiful view and some hot coffee and breakfast. And then we headed towards our next destination, Echo Point. Echo Point, as the name says, is famous for its natural eco phenomenon. All you need is to scream and your voice comes back to you. This place is a perfect choice for people who love trekking, boating at the lake, or just sit back, relax, and enjoy the natural beauty. And yes, do not forget to grab on some souvenirs from the local market in Munnar.
Yes, this is all about our short, however, a mesmerizing stay in Munnar.
And then, with lots of beautiful memories, we started our journey to our next destinations, Thekli.